The McKinsey Solve game is what you need to pass in order to join McKinsey. You may already know that. In McKinsey's Problem Solving Game, you need to master the Redrock Study as well as the Redrock Game. And as a new third game, McKinsey has recently added the Sustainable Futures Lab. You may already have some idea of what to expect from your McKinsey Solve game or McKinsey PSG, but now you want to practice its test components. Congratulations, you need look no further. Welcome to this interactive McKinsey Solve game video playlist in which I always demystify and break down for you the current set of the McKinsey Solve games. As a quick overview, the McKinsey Solve game usually presents the first assessment step for you after you have submitted your application to McKinsey. Only if you pass your McKinsey Solve game, McKinsey will advance you to the case interview stage. This McKinsey Solve game playlist is designed to help you ace your McKinsey Solve game. Currently, the McKinsey Solve game consists of 3 games which you need to go through in this order. The Redrock Study is a heavy quant-focused assessment and you have 35 minutes to complete it. It is followed by the Redrock Game, which evaluates your data analytics capabilities and runs for 30 minutes at maximum. Finally, during the Sustainable Futures Lab, you need to prove your consulting project management skills during the 20 minutes available to you. So, the Solve game's core running time is 85 minutes, but there will also be untimed tutorials and you may want to take breaks between the games, so I suggest that you reserve 2 hours for completing the McKinsey PSG. No fluff, what are we going to cover in this playlist? Like the actual McKinsey Solve test, we will start with its Redrock Study, in which you will have to manage the wildlife population and biodiversity on Redrock Island. After an overview of the game in my strategy guide video, I take you through nothing less but a complete Redrock Study scenario for you to practice with me interactively. And if you want even more, I have another video with Redrock practice questions prepared for you. We then move on to the Redrock game, in which you need to select microbes to clean up 3 ocean sites. In my walkthrough video, I introduce you to the 5 game steps which during your game you will need to go through 3 times for each of the game's 3 ocean sites. My Redrock game tutorial is full of gold and secret hacks and invites you to practice the game interactively. I believe it is the best and most accurate Redrock game tutorial you can find out there, so I strongly recommend you to go through it. Still, I have the ambition to add a second Redrock game tutorial in which I take you through a complete Redrock game scenario and reveal even more of the game's secrets to you. Once it is completed, you will find it in this playlist too. Finally, I teach you what awaits you in McKinsey's Sustainable Futures Lab and once again take you through an interactive game scenario that I have created for you. I believe you will enjoy this video as well, in which you will learn how to signal to McKinsey that you have the consulting project management skills that it wants to discover in you as a candidate. A concise agenda? Well, no fluff, you shall see. I'm Jack and spent 5 years as a consultant and project manager with McKinsey & Company myself and now serve as an independent management advisor. So I know exactly what skills McKinsey demands from you and screens for in you as a candidate. On my Yoon Consulting channel, you find many top quality gems designed to get you ahead of the game in your consulting and business careers. In case you do not make it until the end of this playlist, I sincerely invite you to download and make use of my free consulting online test prep kit, which has grown to more than 30 pages by now, and in which I have compiled for you links to many free prep resources on the McKinsey Solve game as well as other online tests. If you want to pass your McKinsey Solve game no matter what, then you should take a look at what I believe is the best professional McKinsey Solve game prep kit out there. 90% of professional prep kit users pass the McKinsey PSG, but those few who do not get 100% of their money back. Sounds too good to be true? Click on the links in the video description below this video to download my own free prep kit and to check out this fantastic professional McKinsey Solve prep kit. One final clue: I always keep my McKinsey Solve playlist updated for you, but I do not delete content on previous Solve games that McKinsey has stopped using for now, but which games McKinsey may bring back in the future. Therefore, I recommend you to, in this playlist, watch all videos until you reach the video with the stop sign. Once you have reached the stop sign video in this playlist, you are good to go. With that said, let us get you ready for the McKinsey Solve game. Redrock Study Strategy Guide.